So if you are wondering how to open on-off switch, which is mounted often in Ikea lamps, and you've tried to put a screwdriver in this holes and nothing happened, so let's find out how to open and what keeps it closed. So right here you can see that there is a mount which keeps them together, these two parts, and it seems that it's right here, which couldn't be accessed from these holes, although they were keeping it together as well. And the second one is here. It's really hard to tear apart. Okay, so there it is. There is the switch. And this is there are the two pieces that were together held by these big mounts, which maybe they could be accessed from this part. If you had like some thin screwdriver, maybe you could press it to unlock this these two parts, and of course these four parts which could be accessed from the holes from the bottom. The best option in this case would be pulling out this button so that you could have access to these mounts. There are 4 points which secure this button. And to pull this out, you have to locate them and press strongly screwdriver. As you can see, nothing broke. Second one, and comes out.